Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and today we're going to do Astronomy part 4. So as we learn black holes, some phenomena, exoplanets, phenomena and Betelgeuse. Today our topic is Jupiter. Betelgeuse. You know about Jupiter, the largest, the fastest spinning planet. Not much. Result and its functions.
According to NASA Space Place, Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. It's similar to a star, but it never got massive enough to start burning. It is covered in swirling cloud stripes. It has big storms like the Great Red Spot, which has been going for hundreds of years.
So this explains that it is the biggest planet in our solar system, similar to a star, but it never got massive enough to start burning. It is covered in swirling cloud stripes. It has big storms like the Great Red Spot, which has been going for hundreds of years. Now, Newsweek. Why Jupiter may be our planetary guardian angel, protecting us from harm. Gas giants in other solar systems might actually wreak havoc on other exoplanets nearby. In our solar system, Jupiter's huge gravitational field deflects comets and asteroids away from a delicate, rocky home planet. So, I'm not done right now. Images. This is the image. This is also an image. This is also an image. And these all are images of Jupiter. Jupiters also have rings, like everybody else. Nick has giant, yes. We know Saturn and Uranus also have, but Jupiter, Neptune have. Now Jupiter is in the Jupiter. Jupiter face features. Image Jupiter's surface features. Yes, comment that.
Jupiter, a gas giant, doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, its visible features are atmospheric. These include swirling bands of clouds, the Great Red Spot, a massive storm, and other smaller spots and vortices. The atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with clouds of ammonia, water, and other compounds. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Banded appearance. Jupiter's signature stripes and swirls are actually clouds of ammonia and water, moving in opposite directions due to strong winds. The dark orange bands are called belts, and the lighter bands are called zones. 2. Great Red Spot. This is a giant storm, larger than Earth, that has been raging for hundreds of years. It's an anticyclonic storm, meaning it rotates counterclockwise in Jupiter's southern hemisphere. 3. Other storms and vortices. Besides the Great Red Spot, Jupiter has many other storms and vortices, some of which appear as white or brown ovals. These are also anticyclonic, but smaller than the Great Red Spot. 4. Atmospheric composition. Jupiter's atmosphere is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, the two lightest and most abundant gases in the universe. The visible clouds are made of ammonia. Water clouds exist deeper down. 5. No solid surface. Due to the immense pressure and temperature, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface like rocky planets. The hydrogen and helium transition from gas to liquid at depth. It's theorized that there might be a solid core deep down, but it's not something that could be walked on. And 6. Rings. Jupiter has faint rings made of dust particles orbiting the planet. These rings are formed from debris created when asteroids and comets collide with Jupiter's moons.
This also happened with Saturn. Saturn is same but a little. This is not polar, not equatorial zone. Great for south polar region, south equatorial belt. There are also zones. The light one. Great spot. This is the diagram of Jupiter. There are more diagrams like this explaining it. Barge and temperature belt and equatorial belt, equational zone, ST, red spot junior, oval, great red spot, festoon. Jupiter is covered with mysteries. So we're gonna keep these mysteries aside and go with the one and only Earth pollution. We have done it with Venus. A little small explanation because we don't have much time left. We take this.
Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is a scorching hot, rocky planet often called Earth's sister, or twin, due to its similar size and mass. It has a thick, toxic atmosphere and is the hottest planet in our solar system, with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Here's a bit more detail. 1. Size and composition. Venus is only slightly smaller than Earth, and both are terrestrial planets, meaning they are rocky. 2. Atmosphere. Venus has a very dense atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide, which traps heat and creates a runaway greenhouse effect. 3. Temperature. The thick atmosphere causes extremely high temperatures on Venus' surface, reaching over 880 degrees Fahrenheit, making it hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. 4. Rotation. Venus rotates on its axis backward compared to most planets, including Earth, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. 5. Brightness. Venus is very bright in the night sky, often called the morning star or evening star, due to its proximity to the Sun and high reflectivity of its clouds. And 6. No moons. Venus, like Mercury, has no moons. This video explains the surface, atmosphere, and rotation of Venus.
Which ones we don't know. We're just going to the images and telling you more. This is the Venus without atmosphere. Cause it's super hot that atmosphere is thickened with 97% carbon dioxide at least. And this is with atmosphere. This is how Venus looks like. These are Venus. Well, Venus is a solution. Okay. Jokes aside, and this is the last diagram. Look. Your homework is to Venus system.